Good day, class. Our topic is about laws of exponents. So we have here the following objectives. First is to define a base and exponent. Second is to convert an expanded notation to an exponential notation. Okay, so base versus exponent. So let us try to observe this example. We have 6 raised to 4. So our base here is the 6 and our exponent is the one being raised, which is 4. Okay, so the meaning of base is the number that is being multiplied. On the other hand, exponent is the number of times the base is used as a factor. Okay, and our 6 raised to 4 here is what we call the exponential notation. Meaning to say, this base would be multiplied by itself the number of exponent is. So here, as you can see, it's 4. So to expand this or to simplify this, it is 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which we call the expanded notation. Okay? And that is equal to, when we simplify that, the product is 1296. So this is what we call the power. The power is the product of equal factors. Please take note of this, that if it is a product of equal factors, we also call it power, aside from product, of course. Okay. So again, the base gives us the number that is being multiplied by itself. Okay. And the exponent, on the other hand, tells us or tells you how many times the base is used as a factor. Sorry, it is used as a factor. And from our previous example, this one is 6 raised to 4. When simplified to exponential notation. This one is expanded. As you can see, it is expanded. That's why it's being called expanded notation. And here we have an exponent, therefore, that is called exponential notation. Let's have here more examples. We have the given quantity of negative 9 times quantity of negative 9 times quantity of negative 9 times quantity of negative 9. So this is an expanded notation. How do we convert this into exponential notation? As you can see, our base is enclosed in a parenthesis. Okay, this is the same factors, which is negative 9. So it can be written as the quantity of negative 9 raised to 4, since this is being multiplied by itself 4 times. So our exponent rather, is 4. Okay, you may simplify that, but I did not indicate here the evaluation. So we just have to convert an expanded to exponential. So take note, class, that if this is enclosed in a parenthesis, make sure that the base also is enclosed in a parenthesis. You will know later why. Second, we have the given 7 times a times a times a. So that can be written as, this one is a constant, so let's just copy that or keep that. So that's 7a, our base is a, and our exponent is raised to 3 or cube, since it's being repeated 3 times. Okay, and as you can see, the operation is multiplication because they are being combined. Okay, so we combine the constant with the variable. Alright, number 3, we have b times b minus c times c times c, or bb minus c. So to convert that, just count how many times it's being multiplied by itself and what should be the base. So in this case, the first term, the base is b squared, that's 2 times itself, minus, okay, copy the operation subtraction, c cube. Okay, this one is very easy. Next, number 4. Negative times 2 times 2 times 2, the quantity of 2 times 2 times 2 times x. So in this case, if you try to compare these two, Okay, the negative is outside, the one inside is just the constant itself. And meaning to say, the only base is the 2. Okay? So it's either we put it this way, just copy the negative outside, and then just raise the 2 by 3. Alright? We do not put or we do not enclose the negative 2 in one term, because if we expand that, it should be like this. Okay? But in this case, the negative is outside. Or, what you can do here, if you want to enclose it in a parenthesis, is just enclose the 2. But no need if it's positive. Okay? So, number 5. We have here mmn all over or divided by O times O times O. So here, again, just like what you did to the previous numbers or items, okay? So our base here on the numerator is m, that's being raised to 2n. And our denominator, as you can see here, o is being raised to, or is being multiplied by itself 3 times, therefore it's o cubed. Alright, so for your assignment, write the following in exponential notation. Do not forget to upload your answers on the LMS. Thank you for listening.